The Nissan HR12 engine, commonly paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT), relies on several crucial gearbox sensors to ensure smooth and efficient operation. One of the most important sensors is the transmission speed sensor, which monitors the rotational speed of the transmission and sends this data to the engine control unit (ECU) and speedometer for accurate performance feedback. Equally critical is the transmission fluid pressure sensor, which measures the internal pressure of the CVT fluid to maintain proper belt and pulley engagement. A malfunction here can trigger fault codes such as P0846 and may lead to erratic shifting or transmission failure. Another key component is the transmission range sensor, also known as the PRNDL sensor, which detects the current gear lever position, park, reverse, neutral, drive, to enable starting only in safe positions and to control systems like reverse lights and engine start logic. In addition, gear position switches such as reverse and neutral sensors, usually mechanical plungers, are used to monitor the physical position of shift forks, helping manage systems like cruise control, EGR activation, and speed limiters. Finally, valve body solenoids and integrated sensors play a vital role in regulating hydraulic flow within the transmission. Although they are technically actuators, these components also receive sensor feedback and are essential for gear ratio control and overall gearbox performance. Each of these sensors contributes to the safety, efficiency, and drivability of the HR12 powered vehicle.